Hello and welcome, I'm Nathan42 and this is just another video in which I thought I could do some kind of cool 3D project. Okay, so under my desk there was a lot of cables. I'll show you a small view of that now. As you can see, there's a lot of cables under there. I don't want to have all the cables visibly on show or anything like that. I don't like having cables anywhere really. It's nice to just have everything nice and neatly tucked away, and I believe that can be done with things that you can 3D print as well, which is all good. So without further ado, I'll show you something that I found online. And just levitate. As you can see, it looks like a cool thing. It's a little hook, basically. I've got one right here actually. One right here. It's just like a little love heart thing. There's a gap here. It's fairly flexible. It's flexible enough anyway for cables. And basically I put the cables, or some of the cables, into that. And it holds cables up. It works very easily. I just screwed it into the wood underneath my desk, and I will show you the results of that now. Okay guys, you've seen how my cable management is done now. It's a lot more tidy underneath the desk. So let me know what you think. Do you think it was a good idea? Do you like the cable management ideas? Do you have any ideas for future videos or future things that you want me to do? I'm always open to suggestions, and it would be cool to get some back and forth between me and the community of people who watch the 3D printed videos. So yeah, this is just a little update. Obviously I have the Vive now, so I wanted to get things sorted out for that as well. I don't like having too much mess and clutter. Clutter's not good. Clutter's not good. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Learn anything from me, Twitter's @Nathan42, and thanks for watching.
Wow.